Yeah. This here's a song I wrote about pigs and pumpkins. I don't like you, piggy. You ain't my pumpkin. I said I don't like you, piggy. You ain't my pumpkin. I don't like you, piggy. You ain't my pumpkin. No, I don't like you, piggy. You can't be my pumpkin. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. God damn it. Yes, sir. Down here at Dennis Anderson's Muddy Motorsports goddamn park, son. Look at that. Fix them banners, son. Get her straight. Get her set. Listen here, buddy. Gotta get them advertisers showing. Oh, you're taking my banners off? Where's he gone with my banners? Don't you take my banners, god damn it. Them boys paid good money for them little fucking things, man. What the fuck is going on around here? Oh, you're putting the light up. The light towers are coming in. I don't like you, piggy. You ain't my pumpkin. I don't like you, piggy. You ain't my pumpkin. Well, saying I don't like you, piggy. You ain't my pumpkin. Don't like you, piggy. You ain't my pumpkin. Thank you, thank you. Put a lot of thought into my songs. I'm an original musician. Working on my new song called A Mexican Lesbian. Fell in love with an alligator. Gonna take me a while to put that one together. I was just throwing that out there. That was a teaser, y'all. That there was a teaser. I don't have any more words than that. I got no words. Got no goddamn words. Can't think of no more songs. I really ought to get myself a goddamn iPod. I don't fucking know. Something to play some goddamn motherfucking music around this goddamn fucking old rusty ass truck. Oh, I don't like you, piggy. You can't be my pumpkin. Don't like you, piggy. You ain't my pumpkin. I think those people are fans of mine. They like my music. Yes, sir. I am an original country music superstar. God damn it. Down here in North Carolina. All these little Kentuckians down here love me. Yes, sir, they love my music. Don't lie.